Essie and Jordan.
Hello mga bruv! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video ay, alam nyo na, magka-camping ulit tayo. So, on the way kami ngayon sa Jebel Jais. Dalawa lang kami for today's video. So, naisipan lang namin na mag-camping kasi matatapos na ang taglamig dito sa UAE. So, sinusulit lang namin yan. Ang biyahe namin is actually 3 hours and we are halfway, or we're not. We are not. Umalis kami sa bahay ng mga around 1 o'clock. And ang biyahe namin ay 3 hours. And I think, gano'n ba siya kalayo? Wait, let me check kung gano'n siya kalayo. So, mga 270 kilometers siya. Gano'n siya kalayo. Di ba? Layo. Uwi na kami and we will see you in Jebel Jais. Let's go!
There was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes.
Miksik na ako dito sa sasakyan. Ayan siya. Baho nga niya eh. Namoy ko din siya. Baho. Sa takot ko pumasok ko sa sasakyan.
Walking on a breeze, I got no enemies, I just do what I please. Yes sir, I ain't got no things, no money, no means, just a wind in the wings. Yes sir, I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. On knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind at ease.
nandun na lang.
Kalaw kayo ba?
Nakita kami ng fox. Bigla na, ayun. Ay, goat pala yun. Diyan lang siya dumaan. Diyan lang siya. Kita niyo, diyan lang siya dumaan.
Kita yung utot.
Narinig yung utot niya. Yung shit. Ay, wala umutot. Diyan lang siya dumaan. As in, nagulat kami. Nagulat kami na may fox. Ay, hindi. Nagulat kami na dumaan dito yung fox. Hindi namin nabidyoan kasi nagpipwentuhan lang kami. Tapos bigla ko na napansin na may dumaan. Kaya sana ko na namin ng video. Pala rolling lang talaga dapat lagi yung yung camera. So, anyway mga bro, baka maglilipid na kami. Tapos matutulog na kami.
Patutulog ka tayo? Hindi pa ka tayo nanonood.
Ay, ako lang pala.
Ha?
Anyway, good night mga bro. See you tomorrow. Babush. Bye-bye.
Just take my hand, I'll be all you need. Hold on to the hopes and dreams we shared along the way, and promise you won't let them fade away. Though I have tried, I cannot forget. Can't seem to get it out of my head. The way that I felt the night we met. You stole my heart at first attempt. You made me believe in love again. Open my eyes with the things you said. Hold on to the hopes and dreams we shared along the way, and promise you won't let them fade away. Hold on to the hopes and dreams we shared along the way, and promise we'll live on another day. Hold on to the hopes and dreams we shared.
So mga bro, dito kami mag-shawarma. Sabi nila ito daw isa sa pinakamasarap na shawarma dito sa UAE. Ang Lafa. Yan o, Lafa Restaurant. Ngayon, ikukwento sa atin ang humble beginning ng Lafa Restaurant. Sir Carl, paano po ba nagsimula ang Lafa Restaurant?
Dati sobrang liit lang yan. As in, napakaliit. Yun lang.
Sabi niya yan daw pinakamasarap na shawarma na natikman niya. So, let's see kung masasarapan ba ako. food critic yarn. So finally, we have the Lafa shawarma. Sabi nila it's the best shawarma in town. So let's see. We ordered 2 chicken. Maliit lang pala siya.
Dalit lang.
This one is also chicken. So we're gonna try it na. The best shawarma in town daw. Try. Cheers. Halos same sila ng taste ng Layali Al-Sham.
Pero mas ano to? Mas tasty yata yung layali.
Halos same sila ng taste. Sa Layali lang, mas masos. So, hindi pa kami natapos sa shawarma. Wow! Look at that! Tadala! Yay! Wow! So, yan. Ang haba, oh. Para siyang ano, espada.
Yes, sir.
How much?
7 lang dalawa.
Pauwi na kami and ayun, mga 2 hours pa ang biyahe namin bago makarating kami sa bahay. Anyway, ayun, nag-enjoy kami sa aming camping trip dito sa Jebel Jai sa Ras Al Khaimah. Sinusulit na lang din namin kasi talaga yung yung taglamig. Hanggat hindi pa nag-start yung summer, so sinusulit pa namin mag-camping. Kasi pag nag-start na yung summer, hindi na kami makakapag outdoor activities kasi sobrang init dito. Hindi mo talaga kakayanin yung init. Mostly talaga niyan bahay and mall na lang talaga kami. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and we hope to see you in our next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!